Hi everyone, welcome back! Today we're adding a promotion countdown timer to your Shopify store. Let's quickly see why this works. In e-commerce, creating urgency is one of the most effective ways to increase conversions. Basically, when people feel like the offer is limited, they are much more likely to take action. That's exactly what we're building today. Alright, now let's get started. The first thing you should always do before editing any code is to duplicate your theme. Just go to Online Store, then Themes, click on Actions, and duplicate. This way, even if something goes wrong, your live store is completely safe. Once you have your duplicated theme, we can start adding the countdown. First, we need to create a block. Go to Edit Code, then under Blocks, create a new file. Then just grab the code from my blog. As always, the link is in the comments, so you can copy everything directly. After that, we need to add an asset. Go to your Assets folder and create a new file, then paste in the script. Alright, once the code is in place, let's set it up in the theme editor. Go back to Online Store and click Customize. Since this is a block, you can add it to almost any section, so you have a lot of flexibility in terms of where and how it shows on your product page. First, let's set up a global countdown. Let's try combine it with a text section to create something like a Black Friday banner. Then just set the countdown type to apply to all products, enter your countdown text, and define the end time. Remove the text from the timer if you don't need them. Now let's look at collection-specific countdowns. Add the block to your product template and change the countdown type to For Collection. Then select the collection you want. The timer will only appear when you open product pages that belong to that collection, and it won't show on products outside of it. This is really useful for category-based promotions like summer sales or clearance events. Finally, let's talk about product-specific countdowns. This is also added to your product template, and you should select the type for each product. You'll need to use metafields to store the ending date of the offer for each product. Go to your Shopify admin, open Settings, then Metafields and MetaObjects, and create a product metafield. Make sure to use the exact key shown on the screen and set the content type to date and time. Once that's set up, go into any product, enter a date value in that metafield. The timer will now use the value you set for each individual product. And that's it. This works great for flash sales, seasonal campaigns, and product launches. It's a small feature, but it can really help push customers to make faster decisions. Alright, that's everything for today. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or want to customize this further, just drop them below and I'll take a look. See you in the next one!